Oh, that was the weirdest thing to ever happen to me. The light, like, I know you're somewhere. Now stop screwing with me. Oh, I see you. Oh no! Oh no! The door was over there! The door was over there! You know what? Do it! Do it! I heard a dog barking. Mobile task force! I'm going to make it past you. What is up with that dog bark? Thank goodness that was not like a, what do they call it? I don't even know what I'm trying to say now. I lost complete train of thought. Door open. Should I? Two doors open? That could have been an SCP, which I'm interested in. So I'm going to look and see what this is again. Ooh, safe one. Oh, I need this! Oh no, I need this! No game! Oh, what? I'm saving here. I know exactly what it is. It's the refining one. It helps you in various ways. I went this way, didn't I? No, I didn't. I'm gonna have to go this way too, aren't I? Alright, so elevator right now is a bad idea, so I'm not going to elevator it up. I'm actually going to try and find a key card. That is like a big thing to get. But finding it is the hard part. Another SCP? What SCP are you? What is you? You are the killer thingy thing. You are an elevator that I don't want to go to. Oh, I'm not gonna be able to find a key card, am I? Oh, that's such a bummer. That is very upsetting. Very, very upsetting. You're gonna have to wait, my darling. Yep. I guess I'll just go back and just go down the elevator. I mean, I guess if this one works, I'll... Lovely. Don't work. Somebody done broke the elevator. I blinked. That kind of scared me a little bit. Alright, so I hope my mic audio is actually picking up pretty good, because I've had a lot of trouble not being able to. Alright. The pills! Why can I not save? Can I save, please? Thank you. I had to press it like 5 times. Someone down here? What is that noise?
Who's that?
That is something. There is a very much something. Oh, there's a something there. Why are there somethings? Why are there things? Why are there things here? No, no, no. If y'all could see my face right now, y'all would probably be laughing by now. Oh, come on, come on. Oh, I'm a pro. Okay. Oh, don't do this. Don't you dare do this to me. Oh, thank you. Oh! What? Excuse me? What just happened? I died. I got so far. I mean, at least I saved. That's the good part. As long as I saved, that's better. It's good that I saved. So at least I know it works. Just gotta wait it out. Wait it out a little bit. Maybe if I do this. Ooh, that spike. Alright. Forward or to the side? Decisions. So, forward is closed and that one's closed. Nope, this is not closed. Wait. Wasn't I here before, though? No, I wasn't. Was there not a... Oh, lovely. Keycard. The last second. That just screams fabulous. What? Wait, what? What just happened? What? Oh, there's some magic at work. I didn't open this door. What? Is there bad juju going on here? There's juju going on here. Oh, it's looping me. Well, fine then, I'll go the opposite way. How do you like me now, huh? I think that's an SCP. Or it's the game itself saying, can't go over here. Take your business elsewhere. Well, dang it, I will. Just go this way. This way. What's roses compared to loops? Oh wait, I have to stop it here. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you like this, do what you want, like it, subscribe, do what you want. I'm not asking for anything, but I do ask that you, the only thing I ask is that you put down a comment saying if you like the commentary, if you want me to cut back on the talking and all that. But thanks so much for watching, and until the next video, I will see y'all later. Peace out.